Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see recent following on Instagram. So open the Instagram app on your Android, iPhone or iPad. Now go to your profile. Now once you reach here, now at the top you can see followers and following. So if you want to see the following list, so click here on the following. Now at the bottom you can see one of the options as short by default. Now in front of it there are two arrows, click on that one. Now at the bottom you can see default, date followed latest, date followed earliest. So you need to click on date followed latest, just like this. Okay, and if you want to see in the followers list, then you can simply click on the followers here, and now it will already list as the as how you followed them or how the person followed you. Okay, one by one. So this one is the latest one, then second one, then third one. Okay, so just like this. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.